Welcome to this recording where you're going to listen to insightful moments recorded during live coaching sessions with my clients who come from diverse professional backgrounds. And if you like what you hear today, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And remember to hit the subscribe button now and ensure that you never miss any other episode. Thank you. So how do I get myself in the feeling? Now, this is really important. Some clients say to me, I don't feel like connecting with my feelings when I'm speaking, and how do I access that? And that is sometimes called like a writer's block or a singer's block, where they don't feel inspired to connect with the meaning. Now, if you can afford that, that's fine. And sometimes it's true, your environment is not really conducive and is not helpful to help you speak from the heart. You're distracted, you're not in that right frame of mind. And that's true. However, if this is your business and it's important that you do connect, then I would suggest you find a way. And one of the ways to find that way is to actually connect with the meaning of what you're trying to do, the purpose, and perhaps how it can help other people. You find out for yourself what can actually trigger a connection to your message, a purpose, and finding a way of getting into that zone so then you can continue your work. Thank you for listening to this recording. I hope it has helped you. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.